The jam always occurs in the feed unit of tray 3. So first, what I did, I changed the feed rollers and still pepper jam. Then I clean all the sensors, still jam 0523. So this is a very difficult troubleshooting. So next, my suspect is the lift motors, or maybe it's not lifting. So what I did, I removed all the motors of Tray 3 and Tray 4, and I checked if it is working. I supplied voltage for the motor, and the motor is working fine. So now, how can I solve this problem? So last option, maybe the problem is the feed unit. So I removed the feed unit of Tray 2, and I remove also the feed unit of Tray 3. Then I compare the two trays. Maybe the problem is the sensor, but when I check thoroughly, I noticed that from Tray 2, I see the spring pickup. Then in Tray 3, I cannot see the spring pickup. So maybe this is only the problem, the spring pickup. So what I did, I removed the spring pickup in Tray 2 and transfer it to the Tray 3. Then now, luckily, the problem solved. So now the machine is working fine. So the only problem is the spring pickup of Tray 3. Thank you. Solved. Problem solved.